Question number 36. A student state three facts about the time constant of a resistor-capacitor series circuit. Now what we'll do is, let us first understand what is time constant. Then we'll look at the options. What is time constant? Time constant is nothing but given by R multiplied by C. One definition is like this. The other definition is when you plot a graph of the charge versus time over here, you get during a discharging curve, you get something like this. Okay, which means what? At a certain time when q is equal to 1 by E, when q becomes q naught by E, q naught by E would be somewhere over here. When this becomes q naught by E, which is around 0.36 times q naught, okay, then the time required for the charge to reduce it to this much is nothing but time constant. This is your time constant. So you can say this one here. The other way of defining time constant is nothing but, see, when you charge a capacitor, then this charging can lead to a curve like this over here. So even in this case also, okay, or maybe I can draw it here itself. Even when in this case also, so the curve goes like this. When this charging becomes something like around 0.63 times, the charge becomes Q is equal to Q naught multiplied by 0.632. Okay, when the charge becomes the initial value of the charge is equal to 0.63 times 63% of the charge, then even then you see you call the time required for it to charge a capacitor for 63.2% of the final charge is also called as time constant. So now let us look at the definitions here. First one, okay, it's a time required for the capacitor to be charged through to the resistor to a voltage of 63.2 volts from an initial value of 0. So the first one complies with it. First one is correct. Then during this charging, it is the time required for the capacitor to be discharged through the resistor. See, here it's already charging over here. Here it is discharging, but the value is not changing. Okay, so definitely this is incorrect. Okay, actually the answer should have been here. It will be 0.36 should be your answer. 367 should be your answer, but this is incorrect. So it's a product of resistance of the resistor and capacitance of the capacitor. Definitely, I told you already T equal to RC. So this is also correct. So the answer is 1 and 3. 1 and 3, it's B over here. Okay.